Hi, it's Mark here again at jobbersinc.com in Philadelphia. That's jobbersinc.com. Here we have a beautiful manifold for a Oliver 1650. This is actually a Waukesha 190 series. Can be in other engines as well. This is the combination two-piece manifold with all the original mounting clamps and gaskets. 215-236-8500 or jobbersinc.com. We have other parts for this engine as well. For over 70 years, serving the industry, the collector, and the enthusiast with Waukesha parts, service, and good old-fashioned help. Thanks for watching. Thanks so much for your support.